Hi everyone, my name is Madison Taylor, and in this video today I'm going to be doing a part 2 of my beaded bag collection. If you guys go on my YouTube channel, there is part 1, and honestly I've just been collecting so many beaded bags over the last couple months. I had to make a part 2. They're so fun, so unique, and every time I wear them I always get a ton of compliments. So I want to go one by one and show you just each of the different bags. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So starting out strong at my first beaded bag, and probably one of my favorites in this collection. This one was extremely hard to get in terms of the beaded bags, but it is this sardine fish bag. I'll go over here so you guys can see the details. It's all beaded in this really cute blue. I have a t-shirt that goes really well with this. I think it's so cute, but this is just what it looks like on. It's got the sardines over here. And by the way, all these bags I picked up at either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and these were like $34. That's where I get most of my beaded bags from. You can buy from like Anthropologie. Staud makes a couple, but I just like the variety and of course the price point for these. But this is the front of it. And then when you open it up, it's all beaded over here. It just has this tissue overlay here. It is quite a small beaded bag, and I can fit my phone and everything in there. But I think it is so cute. I love wearing this casually, and I would get a ton of compliments whenever I go ahead and wear the sardine bag. When I saw this beaded lemon bag, I loved it because of the shape. It's really unique and different. It's actually got a very sturdy body compared to the other ones, and the strap is pretty long over here. I just think it looks so cute, especially if you're holding it like this, or even a shoulder strap. This in Italy or any kind of summer themed dress is so cute. I love wearing this with a bunch of my fruit outfits. Love the color. It's like a blue gray, and again on the inside over here you can see it's got this like structure. There's nothing in here. It's just a full bag, but this structure that you can put your phone, keys, whatever it is. And for me, one thing that always bothers me about beaded bags is when they're beaded on one side but not the other. I don't know why, it drives me nuts, but all these bags are completely beaded, especially on the back and the bottom. I just think it looks cheap when it's not, but so cute. Love this. And this lemon bag I think would be so fun for a summer trip in Italy. To me, this bag is like a perfect mix of golf and going out. I don't know why, I just like the colors. It kind of reminds me of the Masters, honestly, but it is this beaded martini bag. It's got the green and white, and on this side, I just think, again, the shape is really unique. I love just holding it like in front of you, just like this. I wore this out with my green and white striped dress. I think it's so cute on. You can wear it just on your hand like this, or you could put it on your shoulder like this. I just think it's so cute. It's so fun. And again, I'll come a little bit closer, but this is the back and the front, and of course the sides. It's beaded all the way around. I put tissue paper in these, but you can at least kind of see the inside over here and just the strap. But I think this bag is so fun, so cute. Always get a ton of compliments whenever I go ahead and wear this. This beaded bag gives me a very bohemian look to it, almost kind of like Moroccan Indian themed. I just love the colors, this pink and kind of, it's almost like a bubble gum in a sense too. It's like this pink and almost like a teal color. So fun. It's this little paisleys with these beads in the front and the back, and it's got the stripes all around the side. I picked this up at the Marshalls when I was in North Dakota, and I haven't seen it since, but I think, or sorry, North Carolina, not North Dakota. I would love to go to North Dakota, but have not been. But my grandma lives in North Carolina, so I picked this up when I was there. But love the colors. I think the pink is amazing, especially like this. It is the same size as the sardine bag, a little bit smaller than the others, but I just think it's so fun and unique. And then same thing when you open it up. It's just got the same beaded embroidery right here, and then in the back, same thing with the teal color. But pretty much all these bags are the exact same. They're, I would almost imagine, by the same manufacturer, but I think it looks so cute, especially have an outfit to match like this or any boho themed. This bag would be so fun to wear. This beaded bag, I loved the colors. I love like the bright pinks, the yellows, the blues. It is so fun. It's not a shoulder strap. You actually have to physically carry it on your wrist or your arm like this, but I just think it's so cute. I usually go for crossbodies, but I don't know, something about this colorway I really did like, and it's got the beads again all the way on the side, in the back. It's so unique, it's so fun. Every time I wear this out to dinner or during the day, people stop me and are like, where did you get that? I think it's just so colorful, and that's why. But again, beads on the side, I would wear this with like a really bright outfit, just something fun, something unique, something different. And I love, again, the shape. It's nothing like I had in my collection before. I just think it's such, again, I keep saying the same thing, fun bag, but so cute, and I get a ton of compliments when I wear this bag. And my last bag, and probably the biggest one out of all of them, is this tomato beaded bag. I just think it's so cute, so fun. I love the print. I'll come a little bit closer so you guys can see, but it is these little green and red tomatoes with these beads over here. So fun, so unique. And then the back is just all this plain white over here. This is actually one of the bigger versions of the beaded bags. The other ones are a little bit smaller, and it's just got the red kind of like silky part over here, and the straps are all white too. But I think, again, with some really cute summertime outfits, these bags are so fun. I love just mixing fun bags. Why be boring? I have, of course, my basic black bags, but I think beaded bags and some prints are so fun, and they make an outfit look so unique. And you can fit a lot of things in this bag. I know they make a ton of different prints, especially the beaded bags, so you can definitely get them to fit your outfit, and I love just changing it up. But again, this is the front. This is what the inside looks like, and of course, the lining on the inside is the same as the other bags, but I just think these bags are so unique and so fun to wear. Well, guys, that is it for my beaded bags, at least for this time. I love collecting beaded bags. I think they are so fun. And again, I'm going to link a part 1 in the bio down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I think beaded bags, again, are just such a fun way to infuse color and pattern into your wardrobe, and they're unique and different. I know you can spend a lot of money on one or a little bit depending on where you go, so you can always find a beaded bag that fits your price range, but I think they're just so fun to collect. I just like looking at them. I have my shelf over there, and I like just collecting them over the years. But thank you guys again so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. Take care now.